Blessing everyone. Blessings from Eat Good TV. Scissoring, savoring. Little is much with all in it. Today I have a special recipe for you. It's my boneless curry goat salad. It's very, very delicious. You're gonna like it. You and your family gonna enjoy it. These are the ingredients we need. We need our scallion, thyme, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, allspice, jasmine brown rice, coconut oil, Jamaican curry, black pepper, cayenne powder, all-purpose seasoning, garlic salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. And the meat is all washed and ready to season. So I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of all-purpose season. Tablespoon of all-purpose season, teaspoon of black pepper, tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper because I'm gonna put half of Scotch bonnet pepper in here, and I'm gonna add 12 pimento grain because I'm gonna cook it. So I add around a dozen pimento grain. And you can grind the pimento. If you have a little grinder, like I do, I like the pimento grind. So I'm going to pour some grind pimento in it too. The onion, the scallion, and the Scotch bonnet pepper. So just massage everything together in the meat, because the meat is going to boil. Add the scallion, the onion, and the Scotch bonnet pepper. So this have the scallion, onion, and Scotch bonnet pepper. And you're just gonna massage everything in. Just massage it in with the meat. And then you're gonna just turn the stove on medium and slow cook this until it's tender. When it's tender, then I'm gonna remove the bones. Add thyme and 3 cloves of garlic. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use. Now that the pot is hot, just add the goat meat to cook. Just pour the goat meat in the pot. Just pour all of it in the pot. And we're gonna turn it down low. You are going to turn it down low. You turn it on low and cover it. I'm going to mix it a little bit first, so that you can get in all the flavor. And then we're going to turn it down low and let it cook. And if it needs water, just add some boiling water. The boiling water won't stop the cooking process. Just add some boiling water to it while you're cooking it, because this is going to take about 2 hours to cook or more. So just turn it down and let it cook. And when it's dropping off the bone, we're gonna debone it, so we can make our curry without bone, to put in our curry salad, curry goat salad. It is on medium, so just cover the pot and let it slow cook. You could have curried in the beginning, but what happened is that when it comes to oxtail and cow foot and curry goat, stuff like that, you have to re-season it twice, because it's a long cooking process. So you have to re-season these meat twice. So it's an hour now, and I remove the top and look at it. I don't even need any water, so I won't put any water inside of it. And it is 1 hour cooking, so we have about another hour to go before we remove the bones. When it's fully cooked and I remove the bones, then I just curry it, because it's curry goat salad. Now that the goat meat is cool, just remove the cover and then you're gonna debone it. You're gonna just remove the bone from it. Okay, we're just gonna place it in there. We're just gonna remove all the bones. So we're just gonna remove the bone from the meat. So we're just gonna do all of this, and I'm gonna continue it. So when I'm finished, I'll show you. Add a tablespoon of curry on the meat, and then we're gonna add a tablespoon of curry. We're gonna make the oil for the curry too. So we're just gonna curry up this, and we're gonna put some in the oil. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of olive oil or coconut oil, any one of your choice. We are just adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to burn the curry. We're gonna burn some curry. We are just gonna burn a tablespoon of curry, and we're gonna let it cook. One tablespoon of curry. Turn the fire on low because you don't want the curry to burn. You don't want it to get dark, so you just mix it around, and this to take out all of the essential oil out the curry. Very good. And I'm gonna add some, I'm just like really re-seasoning the pot. So I'm just gonna add some scallion to it. Scallion and onion. And I'm gonna add the meat in. I'm gonna add the meat back. And this I'm just gonna cook for 15 minutes so the curry that I place on it and the curry that I put in the pot can cook properly. And this make a very good salad. No bones. You have this in a restaurant. Americans love the bowl. They love the salad bowl. So this would be a very good dish in your restaurant.
Or in the kitchen.
Yeah, or in your kitchen at home. Yes, yes, delicious. Or in the kitchen at home. Thank you, Jet. Yeah, very delicious. We have this many times. Very delicious. And what I do with all my bones, I turn that into a soup. Into a goat soup. You know, I leave the bones. I just take the meat off the bone, and I skim the oil. If there is oil in the pot, I skim it off and I make a nice goat soup for us. So we have salad bowl one day, goat soup the following day. It's some good Maggi chicken noodle soup inside of the goat soup. Yeah, I just sieve the Maggi noodles and put it in the goat soup. So you can take this and make a goat soup. I'm going to show you it in a little bit. I'm just rinsing the bowl out, this bowl right here, and I'm going to pour it into the pot. See, I just pour it. And I'm going to cook this about 15 minutes so that the curry can cook. 15 minutes so the curry can cook. So I'm going to cover it and cook it for 15 minutes. So this is the bone from the goat meat. You can use it to make soup. Just remove all the oil, because you know the goat meat have oil. So you just skim the oil off. So I just take off all the oil from it and just pour it into something else, because you don't need that. You don't need that in the soup. So you're going to skim it off, and then you're going to make your soup, put your ground provision in it, and make you a nice goat soup. So the curry goat is cooked, so I'm just going to serve it right in this plate here. And you don't have to have the rice if you're a person like me who is trying to lose weight. You don't need the rice. You just need the vegetable and the goat meat. you need is the salad. The salad is very good for you, and the goat meat. That's your plate. You need any more?
That's good.
That's good. Okay. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.